Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm back here, and I had done a bunch of reviews, and I had videoed this one here, and I lost my phone. So basically, I'm just gonna give you guys an explanation of. I threw away the box already, but what this is a 3-in-1 charger, and it's got a little button there for a little night light, which is nice, and it's got this little stand here, so if you want to bring it portable to bring with you somewhere, you can. It's super thin. It'll fit in a piece of luggage or in a backpack, super easy. But what it is cool. It's got the little place for your watch there. So I have my watch, so I can put that on there, and you'll see it'll start charging. So this is my Apple Watch. And then I also noticed it has a place right here where you would put your headphones. And these headphones are in a case, and it kind of sort of charges, but it doesn't charge great. So if I put it on here, you'll see it. So you see it does start to flash. So it is charging, but I found if I want to charge it faster, I can actually just take them out of my little case and I just stick it on there and it'll charge faster. And then for my phone, I can't show you the phone because that's what I'm videoing this with. Had to get a new phone. But the phone just stands up right here, and it's got a little rubber base on it right here. So the phone just stands up and it goes on there and it stays really well. So I can just have it facing me at night when I go to sleep, and the phone's there and it's just pointing to me, and I can wake up at night and just put it on there. It's just super easy to use. So I really like this. This is like, so far, one of the best styles of these 3-in-1 chargers. I've done several of them. Some of them don't even come with the little iPhone one here. You have to run the wires and stuff. But this one here comes with all the stuff. So it's kind of nice. Everything's wireless charging. So this is for a wireless iPhone, wireless watch, and wireless headphones. There's other ones that I've done that are wired ones, which actually seem to work sometimes a little bit quicker for charging, but this is an overnight thing. So for me, works good. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. I don't really know exactly what brand it is now, but I'm gonna have to look it up. It says the 3-in-1 charger you see there on there. And that's what that is. And it just plugs in with a USB-C, and it's USB on the other side to plug it in, and it works really good. So thumbs up for me, and that's it. Thanks, bye.